Hello students, happy new year to all of you. I'm going to teach you computer science and we will cover the season 2 of chapter functions. So in the very first season we have learned what are functions. Now we will learn types of function. So very first one is built-in functions. So these are predefined functions and are always available for use. For example, len, type, int, print, or ord, etc. means that type of function which are already available with the setup of Python are known as built-in functions. Now, second type is functions defined in modules. So these functions are predefined in particular modules and can only be used when the corresponding modules is imported. So number of times we have to import any particular module to use their functions. For example, ceil, sqrt, log, fabs, etc. are predefined function in module math. We must import the module before use its functions. So without importing the particular module we can't use its function. Now third one is user defined functions. So the functions defined by a programmer are called user defined functions. A programmer is free to define number of functions in his program according to the requirement. Means whenever you are going to break a large program in small units, so you are free to break and create type of function in your particular program. Now defining function in Python means what will be the structure of function in Python. So you can see you must write def, and after that you have to write the function name, then you have to define the parameters if any, and then you have to put colon sign. After the colon sign you have to change the line, and then you have to maintain the indentation, and after that you can write function docstring if anything is available there as a comment. Then you have to write all the required statements of the function, and then at last if there will be need to return any type of value from the function, you can write return statement. Now elements of a function. So first element is function header. The very first line of function definition that begins with keyword def and end with a colon specify the name of the function and its parameter. That particular very first particular line is known as a function header. Start with def. Now parameters, variable that are listed within the parenthesis of a function header called parameters. Now elements of a function. So function body, the block of statements beneath function header that defines the action performed by the functions are called function body. Means all the statements of the block of statements written within a function are known as a function body. Now indentation, the blank space in the beginning of a statement within a block is known as a indentation, which defines the scope of the statement. You can see various elements of the particular function elements in the figure. Thank you. Thanks for watching the particular video. Have a nice day.